Hi, welcome to Duluth and Delicio's Bertani wine dinner tonight. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I try with my Rosetta Stone English. So I'm Stefano Mangiarotti. I'm from Italy. Actually, I moved here in US. I moved to New York 5 years ago. I'm 45 years old. I tried to be a lawyer a long time ago, and then I understood that the wine was much better business. And so I started talking about wine, and now I represent Bertani. Bertani is one of the most historical winery in Italy. It was founded in 1857, a long time ago, and a very classic, very distinctive style. And so I try to do my best and talking about the winery around the world.
What part or region of Italy are the grapes grown and the wine is made?
But in Italy you have a lot of places where you can find wines, and Bertani is located in Verona, in Valpolicella. And Valpolicella actually in Latin means the valley of the many cellars, because they started making wine 2,000 years ago, a long time ago. And Valpolicella is located north of Verona. But the interesting thing is that in Italy, and especially in this case with Bertani, so we don't sell grapes, we don't make wines with grapes, but we want to promote the terroir. We want to promote, the area. Valpolicella is one area, so it's one region, and then there you find indigenous grapes, like a Corvina, like a Rondinella, like probably you're not familiar with that, but there are indigenous grapes that can grow only there. So what we try to promote, what we try to make a wine with these indigenous grapes, that they represent 100% the terroir. So in the different areas that you grow these grapes, the soil is quite different to make each wine? Absolutely. So you have to consider that Verona is 50 miles from Venice. Just probably Venice is more popular than Verona. Verona itself, but Verona is surrounded by Valpolicella, and on the west side you have the Lake of Garda, that actually is the largest lake we have in Italy, and around the Lake of Garda you have a light soil. So over there you can make only white wine, a light body red wine. Then you go north of Verona and you have the big red, you have the Amarone, you have the Valpolicella Ripasso, because that soil is the oldest soil around Verona. And then you move forward, you move to the east side, and then you have the white grapes like the Soave that we are going to have tonight.
In the Bertani portfolio, you mentioned some of the wines. So what makes up the portfolio of their wines?
But I think we since the beginning, since 1857, we've been making wine that represent the region. So you have, as I told you, white wine from the Lake of Garda, like Lugana, Custoza. Then you have a light body red like Bardolino. That's from the Garda Lake side. From Valpolicella, you have the Valpolicella, you have the Valpolicella Ripasso, the Amarone, the Recioto, the sweet wine that the Romans used to make 2,000 years ago. And then from the east side, you have the Soave. Soave is the white wine from Verona, made with Garganega, that is another indigenous grapes, but in this case white.
The Amarone, right, is the most awarded of all of your wines that you produce. What makes that such an award-winning wine?
Amarone is an outstanding, unique wine. It's the only dry red wines around the world, in any part of the world, you can find a wine like the Amarone, because Amarone is made with the 100% dried grapes. So we lay down the grapes on the straw mats, we dry naturally, with no fans, no dehumidifier, the grapes for 4 months. At the end you have a very long fermentation, 50 days fermentation, and then you have a long aging, you have a 6 years aging. So Amarone Classico Bertani is really an iconic wine that you can compare with the best wine around the world.
Tonight the wine dinner is pairing all of your wines with certain foods. We have a tuna, a butternut squash, a wild boar chop, and then the dessert, which probably be the Amarone, would be cheese, pears, honey and chocolate. How does one select a wine for those quite a variety of different dishes?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. So first of all, I'm hungry now. I hope the dinner is coming soon. But the point is that Bertani is, as I told you before, is a very classic old world winery. So, and old world wines are not based on high residual sugar or the big punch, overly raisiny, overly ripe, over oaky wines. No, it's completely the opposite. Our wines, they are absolutely food friendly, and they are food friendly because they are made with they have a nice balance and especially very good and nice elegant acidity. All the chefs that they taste our wines, they love it because they usually believe that the sweetness that you need, you have in the food, but in the wine you need acidity, and that's why these wines are perfect to be matched with the food.
Wow. Yeah, the dinner is going to start soon, so I really want to thank you for your time tonight, and I hope you enjoy what we've prepared tonight for the dishes that go with your wine, and it all sounds really fabulous.
I mean, the food is going to be super, and the wine, I can tell you that you're going to have fun.
Well, thank you again.
Thank you very much.